I'm John Poach. I'm professor of creative writing and English at Grace College, and I'm happy to be the leader of this creative writing camp this summer. I love writing. I love having written. I love getting words into print and connecting with people. That we don't just write for ourselves. We want to make a connection with other people, and doing that in an effective way, in an emotional way, in a real way, is to study and to think about that deeply. Students can expect to begin by reading closely in different genres, learning, well, what is a genre? What's the difference between poetry, between fiction, between essay? We will be exploring. We won't be just in the classroom. We'll be here. We'll be in the library. We'll be out around campus. And there are nature trails. There's the lake. We plan on traveling as much by foot as possible. One of the great things about this creative writing camp is that we will have the opportunity to work at Little Cricket Letterpress and to actually use some of our work to put it into print. One of the printing presses is 100 years old, and to use that older technology to get a feel for the physicality of writing. Not many students have this opportunity. We will have a culmination of the entire week by having a public reading, and the students can share the things that they've discovered, the things that they've worked on, the things that they've improved.